So, you decided to make 2 small gravel piles instead of 1, eh?
Yeah, and the great thing is, we're almost finished, eh, Scooch?
Uh-huh. Ta-da! Clever, eh?
Oh, well, I hope you don't mind me saying, but, if you're going to use the 2-pile method, always make sure you get a nice, even edge.
Yeah, actually, we were just going to do that when you
Or
came and...
never pile your piles too high, or that naughty gravel will be everywhere. In our treads, through our windscreens, in our winkers.
Oh, I know. I was just about to smooth them off and...
Look. There is no point in doing a job if you're not going to finish it properly. Oh, dear. It's a good job we came along when we did. Hey, Carl?
Absolutely. What was going through their bonnets?
We hadn't finished.
What was all that about, Diggs?
Why do we always have to have the older machines looking over our bumpers? Why can't we just finish a job on our own? I know we can do it.
Well, if you're so sure, why don't you ask Bozer if we can?
You know something? I think I will. Next time I see Bozer, I'll ask him.
Ask him what?
Bozer, well, there was this idea just floating about that we thought you might like to, hear. Tell him, Scooch.
Me? I don't have ideas.
Oh, come on. It's your master plan, Big Wheel. Spill it.
Oh, all right. I was just wondering if, one day we could do a job where we did the whole thing from start to finish on our own?
Well, Diggs, it just so happens that I have exactly the kind of job you're talking about. That's, if you think you're up to it.
Oh, don't you worry, Bozer. We're up to it.
Glad to hear it. Let's get things in gear. Follow me. All right, now. We'll be needing a trench dug and more sewer pipes laid in this ditch. Diggs, I think you should...
Don't say another word, Bozer. I know exactly what to do.
Good. Then I can count on you to have it done by the midday whistle.
No problem, Bozer.
Mind behind.
Room! None of the big machines are going to be here to say, do this, do that.
Yeah, it's just us. All alone. Without supervision. That's good, isn't it?
What do you mean? That's top gear.
And just think, if we get this one right, we could get other jobs, bigger jobs, like building a superhighway or a tunnel under the ocean. And the older machines would give us a 10-horn salute. I can see it now. It was nothing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I just like to accept this one. All right, you two, let's get cranking. Look! We're doing it!
We are masters of this turf.
Yeah, and nothing bad has happened.
There you go, Carrie. Lay it down there.
You mean this pipe? You want this pipe?
Well, yes.
If you want it, you'll have to catch me first! Ah! Catch me, you Rusty Rex!
Rusty Rex! Ha! Looks like we've got a game of tag on our wheels.
Tag? Oh, what a day!
Eat my dust! Ah!
Let's go, Scooch! on, Scooch. No time to get tired.
They're so slow, they'll never catch me.
Oh, I'm following her tracks. Where'd she go?
Behind the bush. Gotcha!
Ha! I let you catch me.
My turn to get caught.
Huh.
Sorry, guys, but we better get back to the job.
Oh, come on, Big Wheel. You're not going to spoil the fun.
Ha ha! Catch me! Catch me!
I'm coming to get you.
Oh no! The midday whistle! The job's not finished. What will I tell Bozer?
Hey there, Diggs.
Hey, Bozer.
Looks like you got a good start here.
Oh, yes. Look at that great start.
But, it's not quite finished, is it?
Oh, you wanted it finished?
Very funny, Diggs. Listen, it's all right. I understand. Maybe it's too much to expect you new machines to do a big job like laying sewer pipes without the older machines being here to supervise you. It's all right. There'll be other chances. Someday.
Oh, give us another go, Bozer. I know we can do it.
You want another go? No problem. You've got it. But you have to be done by the next whistle.
But, that's soon.
Well then, you'd better get cranking. Tick, tick, tick.
Do we still have a job?
If we finish by the next whistle.
What?
Listen, if we want the older machines to believe in us, we've got to carry our own load. We said we'd get the trench dug and the pipes laid by the next whistle, and that's what we're going to do. Right?
Right.
Varoom! Let's go and tell Bozer.
Bozer knows.
We all knows.
Yes. Who would have thought you could do such a good job on your own without our helpful advice?
I think this calls for something special.
How about the 10-horn salute?
Oh, yeah, a 10-horn salute would... Oh, but we only have 9 horns.
Oh. Ah. Well, maybe we could give them a 9-horn salute.
Well, it's better than nothing.
Okay, here we go then.
Thank you.